Okay, to finish up the part, we're just going to create a curvature on the edge of the cube, the external edge, to on one hand to make it look nicer, but on the other hand, because those edges, those curvatures help the part have a better mechanical resistance, because those edges with those curvatures will distribute the stress uniformly across the transitions. So to do that, we're going to create a curvature, and we're going to go to part design, and we're either going to create a chamfer or we create a fillet. So let's do either or, but you're going to notice that it's going to tell you that you need to create a new body. And you might be confused because you have all you need for the operation. You have a 3D part and it's asking you for a new body. What does that mean? Well, in FreeCAD, these operations are under something called body. So a part is a solid, but a body is what you can do representations of the part. So you can just basically create a part, or if you go to your curvature again, just say yes, create a body, okay. And now it's gonna tell you to select an edge, but you're not done yet, because at that point, if you try to do it again, select the edge and go to your curvature, it's telling you, well, you need an active body. And yes, that's okay. All you need to do is get your part and drag it inside your body. And now you're gonna have a body based on the part that you created. And now you cannot basically modify this anymore. What you need to modify is this body. And notice that now it's green instead of yellow. And now you can do the operations. You select this edge, and when you go to your curvature command, you definitely can do the operations that you want. You can change the radius, you say okay. And you can actually do that for all the other ones as well. So with control, select the other edges, rotate the parts conveniently. Remember to rotate the part, you just go to blender, and well, you need to select all the edges. So that edge, and what other edges do we need? That's already selected, and this one. And you can actually have different radiuses, right? Because they're going to be independent operations now. So all those three, you can have them at a bigger radius. Okay, and that is how you create your 3D part using body features. Where it's also called the body representation. Now you can save the part or you can export, and it's going to tell you what you want to export. So we want to export this whole body, and then you can export it as a manufacturing format, as a STL, which is used for 3D printing, step, which is used for final element analysis, IGES. You can basically import it as a Python mesh, as a master mesh, or FEM, a BTK to visualize as a mesh. I mean, you can export as a lot of different formats that you didn't even have access on AutoCAD. So this tool, being free, is actually pretty versatile and very nice.